Meanwhile, following that not guilty plea this afternoon, WENY's New York Capitol correspondent Elise Klein got reaction from state lawmakers in Albany. She joins us live to break down recent legislation in response to Trump's indictment. Elise?
Renata, some state lawmakers have different reactions here. Some say that Trump's indictment is a political prosecution, while others say it is an example of justice. In a Manhattan courthouse today, former President Donald Trump appeared for his arraignment hearing, where his indictment was unsealed and a judge formally announced criminal charges. While crowds surround the courthouse and Trump supporters continue to donate large amounts of money to his campaign following his indictment, some Democratic lawmakers expressed concern.
It's really unbelievable, and it shows the corrupt nature of today's Republican Party.
Some Republican lawmakers say the indictment is a political prosecution. They say judicial systems should be beyond politics.
You wonder where justice is going to be served in this case, and I just don't see it. The guy's running for president. He was a former president, and even if, I happen to think it's political too, but even if they're successful in the conviction, what does that bring us? Just more division, unfortunately, in this country.
In a response to Trump's indictment, the state Senate recently passed legislation that would pause the statute of limitations for civil and criminal prosecutions for individuals who serve as president of the United States.
Just because you held a high office in the government, that doesn't mean that you're absolved of all responsibilities once you leave. Every person is not above the law, no matter if you're president or not.
The legislation would have to pass in the Assembly in the same language before being sent to Governor Hochul's desk, where she can either sign it into law or veto the bill. Governor Hochul said she is in communication with the NYPD to handle crowds and any unrest that could result from Trump's indictment. For WENY News, I'm Elise Klein. Renata, back to you.